What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And this is the second video that I'm making today, and I have to say that I didn't want to do this one, but we have a lot of news and I couldn't afford to put all the news in one video. That is why I'm making it, and today's video is directly related to the recent wealth notice. I will show you the comments from Mark Basile, and that is more importantly, I will show you all the information from Richard Hofman regarding this news. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section for whatever reasons you want. Let's start with the news itself. For those of you who didn't watch my previous video, I have to say that George Palikaras and John Burda received wealth notices. And this document, let me quote you what does it mean. A wealth notice is a notification issued by regulators to inform individuals or companies of completed investigations where infractions have been discovered. It usually takes the form of a letter, which notifies recipients both of the broad nature of the violations uncovered as well as the nature of the enforcement proceedings to be initiated against the recipients. And I have to say that a lot of people were excited about this news because potentially it might help us to disclose more information, to receive more information from authorities. But some people definitely were scared because these two people, George Palikaras and John Burda, are the key people in MMTLP community, and definitely George Palikaras for now is the CEO of Meta Materials, but he was involved in the process of spin-off, and he is trying to help us to solve our problem. So, and let me show you this document by itself. You can find it on fintel.io. It is Form 8K. Made by Meta Materials, and I have to say that Mark Basile made a very good comment regarding this document, and let me quote you this. MMTLP, it's hard to imagine that the several levels of investor protections that the Securities Act, FINRA, Sarbanes-Oxley, DTC, PCAOB, corporate attorneys and Securities 34 Act reporting attorneys, as well as the accountants, general counsel and executive fiduciary responsibilities, internal controls, etc., that provide protections for an issuer's investors, that something that occurred more than 2 years ago is just now coming to light. Let's now forget all the financial and other disclosures that have been reviewed by all of the above professionals and agencies during initial reporting, continuing reporting, information statements, registration statements, quarterly and annual audited financial reports, etc. It begs the question then, why now? I'm keeping an open mind about this because we don't know what the actual charges are, if any, at this point in time. And yes, I have to say that how it is even possible that for more than 2 years none of these authorities didn't do anything in order to prevent so-called violations and some problems with MMTLP, and why in the world this wealth notice was written just recently. And let me quote you further. He also added this. Also consider this. If this is based on a financial or other disclosure prompting market fluctuations in stock price, the class action lawyers would be all over this too. They haven't. Only one case in New York. And yes, a lot of discrepancies or a lot of some kind of mysterious facts. And let me show you the most important update regarding this news for now from Richard Hofman. And for those of you who don't know, he is one of our headliners, and he has a Twitter account, RahRao999, where he posted a lot of updates regarding our issue and many other issues of similar cases, quite similar cases, from the companies that were also targeted by naked shorters. And he made a video. It is a live stream on his YouTube channel, Not Legal Advice, KNOT. And I highly suggest you to follow his Twitter account and to subscribe to his YouTube channel, because he has a lot of insights, and he made very important and useful videos for those of you who want to know more from the legal perspective. And in this video, I have to say that it is not the longest video, just 30 minutes long. He and J.R. Ewing discussed this wealth notice, and there they answered the questions basically from the very beginning. Why wealth? And Richard answered this question perfectly well. On top of that, more important questions: why this well notice, if the well notice was issued by SEC, why Metamaterials published this press release, why they did this Form 8K. Next one, why they published it on July the 20th and disclosed it almost a week later. And why in the world this letter was subscribed by Uzi Sasson, Chief Financial Officer of Metamaterials. And they also answered on this question. On top of that, they discussed the entire problem and why this notice was even written. On top of that, they explained why John Burda and George Palikaras didn't do any updates and didn't write anything in their Twitter accounts. And they also explained how severe this notice might be, and what consequences we might have regarding our case. On top of that, they also stated that this notice was made to separate MMTLP community, and definitely the authorities want to win this battle, and they don't want to disclose any information that might be harmful for them and that might expose their unwillingness to do something. And in my opinion, you have to watch this video by yourself. As I already mentioned, it is not the longest one, but there you can find a lot of information regarding this notice. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed.